behind. You got your flag line? There behind you. Most of the time it's attached behind or on the spreader bar. Attach your flag line. Make sure that's connected before you launch the kite. Get yourself hooked in. And then operating the quick release on all of this. It's a pretty universal system. You're just grabbing that bell and pushing out away from you. Not pulling in. I've seen a couple of newbies do that. They're panicking and pulling the shit out of it, and it's not coming undone. It's away. Push it away. Right? The kite takes off, and this flag line is going to pull through, and the kite will go out on a single line. Hopefully with no massive tangles, so that it's not still pulling on you. And that's pretty much it for the quick release. No talk. So also, and then last ditch effort, you've got a second quick release. Whenever it's out on the flag line, where's my harness?
Right here. You can use mine if you want. No, you got one.
Whenever it's flagged out and no power, lines do tangle. Sometimes the flag doesn't work. Sometimes there's lines around the bar and it doesn't truly flag and it's still pulling the shit out of you.
If there's too many twists on the middle lines, they will not flag your kite as well.
I've had that issue. I think anybody who's been kiting more than a few years has probably had one issue where they've released and didn't really release very well. You've got the last ditch one. Quick release here, now everything's gone and you're just swimming with your board. But at least you're not getting pulled by the kite anymore. And then the kite's just going to flop and roll in the water. And that's the last ditch.
First thing we do is we look at the kite. Where's the kite?
One of your lines breaks while you're kiting, there's no way you're going to control your kite anymore. Quick release, for sure. You want nothing to do with that.
Yep.
Others are if another kiter comes along and you guys wrap your kites around each other, the lines are wrapped up. I would say both of you want to get out of that situation really quickly. If your chicken loop comes off, yeah. The other time I would use it, especially for a lot of people learning, if you're down the beach, you're coming in, and your kite's in the water, and a wave is gonna hit your kite.
Yep.
You wanna release, you wanna let it go. It's either gonna pull you underwater, or it's gonna rip your kite in half.
Yep.
Or it's
that wave coming, hit that release, and it's gonna blast out your kite.
okay. It's much safer for you and your kite if your kite washes up onto a sandy beach than for a wave to hit it and you get pulled under.
There's also some things to be aware of when hitting the quick release. The kite's going to come down, it's going to flag out. Try as much as possible, make sure there's nobody directly downwind of you before you hit the quick release. If it's an absolute emergency, then you got to release, you got to release. But if you're just getting blasted and you're out of control with like a strong gust coming through, if you can do a 3-second count just to make sure there's nobody directly downwind of it that you're going to tangle up with the kite and you're not near the beach, try to wait it out just a second before you release it so you know the kite's going to not hit anybody or tangle up.
But a flagged out kite is a lot better than a powered up, out of control kite hitting somebody.
Definitely. I think that's about it for the quick release. For the second part,
Sorry, you should just say that if you're super overpowered, you can out there.
And all of you with your own gear, next time you set it up, put it on, pull the release.
yeah, that's,
Make sure you know how it works. Pull it a couple times, put it back together.
so yeah, there's 3 parts of this quick release I want to go over. Just the operation and when to do it, but also inspecting it. Now, we should all be opening up this quick release every time we go. Before you rig up, open it up, make sure it's not corroded, crammed up with a bunch of sand and crap. Make sure it works. This little bungee inside here, if anybody wants to come close and see it, that's the bungee that pulls the bell back down. Those things wear out and break. Sometimes you hit the quick release and it's never going to come back down.
I've seen in different places, experienced kiters, as soon as they land the kite, somebody holding the kite, they don't just normally unhook, they quick